Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll be showing guys how to silence someone on your TikTok account. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to log into your TikTok account. Once you're there, you click on what's inbox. So after which you simply need to choose the person in which you want to silence. So let's say this one. After that, you click on these three dots up here. Once you're there, you are going to see silence notification. You simply need to enable this, so that each time the person send you a message or the person call you, you won't be able to receive it until you open your TikTok chat with the person. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.